Divide 604 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 604 divided by 5 is 120 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.